Friday, January 31st, and we've been gone for 3 days. Dad's in the shop. What are you working on here today?
This is the stump pan
Okay.
plate. So this goes in like this.
Okay.
This is the bottom.
Yeah.
You stick it in like this.
Okay.
These two are welded on there.
Yeah.
I gotta make them on yet. And when you tighten this up,
everything's good.
it jams this
Okay.
into here,
Okay.
and you can drain oil and whatever you want.
There you go. Bob's your uncle. Okay, looks like we got some doors being sanded over here. Okay. All this is ready for painting, Dad says. So, young Aidan was working on this here the last couple of days. Right now, Aidan's just doing the wood haul here. Well, minus 40 outside with wind chill. Couple little dog turds down there.
No,
That's
when
Nina.
you're in the bush and you're hunting,
Yeah.
you always look for a sign.
Yeah.
So you know there was an animal here.
Yeah, okay, well that's Nina Pinta Santa Maria's.
And Otto's daughter come out.
Good,
So she's clued right in.
good, okay. So doors are sanded and ready to be primed. And back over at the Bombardier here, these guys are getting to the stage where maybe soon they might be able to fire it up, because Dad was talking about moving the machine out and then back in, and we've got another machine that we got to start working on here soon. I think it might be an airboat, but they got quite a bit of work done here. Randy's still wiring up the front. He's probably going to be done very soon. It's better Randy does all this work than Dad, because Randy can do it quicker, faster, cheaper than Dad can do it. And they would have been, it's just Peter was just here as well, and he was showing me his father-in-law's or grandfather-in-law's Olympic medal for dog mushing from 1932. But yeah, they've got a lot more work done on the engine compartment here. Again, we need the drive shaft still to be installed here, but Dad's got the brake thingamabob over there done. I think we're still looking for springs for the exhaust. I think Dad said he had them, but they're not installed. And there's old Charles in charge, having a rough day on the couch. And this is Randy doing his wiring. Yeah, what's going on, old Charles in charge? Did you have a rough day, my boy? Eh? Oh yeah, rough. Yeah, and that's Nina Pinta Santa Maria, just loves her Charlie. But Dad's back over here. They're still grinding away at certain things here. And that grinding is probably on that access plate for the stump pan.
That's jigsaw.
Okay.
With metal plate.
Okay, so again, Friday we'll be stopped here probably over the weekend due to some parts or something like that, but Dad's going to keep on going on what he can do. Young Aidan here's stacking up the wood, making sure we're warm for the weekend, and we'll check on with you guys back again tomorrow. Nina Pinta Santa Maria just hated being alone for 3 days. And the old Charles, he just doesn't want to leave that couch these days too much. Hey? Old Charlie. What a good old dog.